so this is conceptual understanding of division. We are going to work side by side with the division, long division algorithm, and conceptually understanding the steps of long division. So I'm going to start here with showing you that I have flats, which are worth 100, rods, which are worth 10, and units, which are worth 1s. I love using base 10 blocks because they make a lot of sense to me. They make the math make sense. However, I don't have time to be breaking them apart, so I'm going to do it quick. And I'm going to use discrete diagrams, and I'm just going to draw squares. Okay, so squares is going to be my hundreds. And then instead of using the rods, I'm going to just draw sticks, and that's going to represent my rods. And instead of using the single units that you saw, I'm just going to use dots. Okay. So those are going to be my discrete diagrams to be able to show you how to do the division conceptually. Let's take a look over here. Right here you have 735 divided by 5. Well, what does that mean? What that means is that you have an amount. 735 is your amount, and you have to split that up. You have to divide that into a number of groups. So I'm going to write that over here. This is the amount split up. And I'm going to put that in parentheses. Split up is common language. It makes more sense to us. We can say divide as well, but if we don't understand what divide means, we don't want to really use that in the definition. So this right here is the amount that I need to split up. Over here is how many groups I'm going to split that up into. How many groups? So I have to split this up into groups. Oopsie. Into groups, and this over here, this divisor, tells me how many groups I'm going to split this amount in, also called the dividend. Okay, so over here I have what I'm going to be calling as the pot. Okay, so this is the pot. And to me, the pot is like just a big amount that needs to be split up. Okay, so over here, inside here, this is the pot. Okay, this is what I have inside. This here is the pot. So I'm going to put a little arrow and call it the pot. The amount that needs to be split up. Okay, so